everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Sketchbox Day. Sketchbox is a monthly art subscription box that sends you premium art supplies every month. Let's see what's inside. Very full box this month. Take a look. Pretty artwork on the front. I don't want to look at the spoilers just yet, but that would be very fun to draw. Or ink, or let's see. Oh, looks like we are using some Rembrandt soft pastels. Very pretty colors. Not a huge fan of pastels, but absolutely will play with them this month. They're very soft and creamy. Very pretty colors. Ooh. And I just threw one on the floor. Next we have special edition pastels. Well, blue and yellow. There's no, so maybe just two. Cute little box to store them in. Sketchbox sticker. Some foam blenders. You can use them as palette knives. You can use them with the foam on top to blend. So this is paint, draw, blend, so that's neat. That's a good touch. A couple chalk pencils. This is Rembrandt Pastel 10. We'll maybe have some paper in there we can swatch on in a minute. I think that's black. And then this is white. Pastel. So we get to try a couple different brands this month. This feels like sandpaper. And a whole pack. Perfect size for this box, so I'm gonna assume it was made especially for them. Or it's just a coincidence. Hanamule pastel paper, velour, 260 GM, 120 pound, 8 sheets. Very smooth, thin. And then we will draw something. Or attempt to draw something. Very nice, very smooth. So dark brown, light brown. Might have some fun playing with these this month. Like a terracotta red. Like a rose, antique-y rose pink. And a soft rose pink there. And then there's these. Not gonna be able to see this very well, but I guess you can see it a little bit. Definitely black. And then we have the Schminky pastel. I think these are really expensive. Sorry about the cell phone. Ooh, very soft. Very nice. Very powdery, but that's okay. So there you have it. So let's see what the card says. So there was only supposed to be 2 in there, so it made total sense once I saw that the powder wasn't missing anything. So 2-pack for $7.60. This one is the Red Earth pack for $9.95 from Rembrandt. The Caran d'Ache is a staff favorite, $4.40. The Rembrandt black is $3.10. The soft oval flat knife set is $4.40. I have another one of those. The paper is custom for them, made to fit to their box, just like I suspected, and it's $13. And this is sanded pastel paper, 4x9. Retail price is $4. It's also custom. There is 2 sheets, I believe. 2 sheets. Really does feel like sandpaper and looks like sandpaper. But it says, another type of pastel paper for you to try. This one has a 400 sand grit on it to catch the powdery pastel pigments. That's awesome. Say that 10 times fast. And then there's the Sketchbox school, like always. And have fun and remember to tag your art with hashtag SketchboxAugust if you'd like to be included in our monthly contest. The winner gets their art printed on a future box lid. So there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below, and let's create. Hi everybody, Future Jen here. I wanted to pop in and make a correction. When I opened this Hand Mule velour pack, I didn't even realize that I was drawing on just a piece of paper. That's probably the cover, not even part of the pack. It is actually 8 colors of velour. So it's a fuzzy, if you're not familiar with velour, paper that I did not even notice. And of course I already did my drawings. I didn't notice until I was putting everything away. But I'm very excited to have another chance to draw on these at a future date. But I also wanted to say I did this drawing on the same paper that I swatched. So I cut off that little piece. Actually, it's right there. And I cut off a little piece just so it was the size I wanted. I got half the recording, so I'm not going to play this one. Unfortunately, the video stopped and I didn't even pay attention. I just kept going. So definitely had fun playing around. I am not a pastel artist, as you can tell, but it was a lot of fun. Now that I have the velour, it'll probably be more fun. But what I did do is I came back and I created something on the sand-like paper here. So here's the drawing that you're about to see me creating. Just a quick little something to play with it. I really liked this sandpaper feeling. I know it's not sandpaper. What is it called? Sanded pastel pack. So if you get a chance, definitely try that if you have not used it before and you are a pastel artist. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and play or create this pretty little flower. And yeah, thanks. Have a good day.